Hey, I think I owe my neighbours a new bush. My pigeons have stripped that. Whatever it is, I'm no Garden friendly, so I don't have a clue what it is. But they love it, they have stripped it. I've gave them a chap and says we'll need to put some netting or something over. So that's fine, we can trim it down. I might be waiting on that wee fella coming back up. Oh, a wee dove. I think he's sitting with my birds. He's needing another hen. Well, I'm overrun with hens, so I've got 2 I can give him. And he's going to take 63 and 87, my 2 young white birds, who I've put in there now. Put that zone back down. So there's no messing when he comes. And it's easy to get them. They're nice and calm in there. I don't know whether I should pay the champ because I've not got a coke with her. But in a couple of months I'll have a coke, so I've got a wee black in there. She can just stay with the jail at night time. Back out during the day. But they 2 are going away the night. So they are. I admit I could give them all my white birds and just leave myself with my tumblers, but I would miss them. Because they are nice birds. And I can't, because Jill's in 2 eggs, so it wouldn't be right to give them Jack and Jill the night, when she's sitting in eggs. That wouldn't be right. But me 87 and 63 is going away to a new home the night, folks. He's in love with the last 2 white birds that I gave him. Great flyers, he says, great flyers. I just laughed and I says, aye. I don't know if that's because they all went up in the sky and thought, off, go up there away from her. So they all went to fly. They've been out all day. I just get them these looked up to now. So I did. But I need to decide what 2 hens I will give them because I'm overrun with hens and no enough cokes. But do girl, I can't even speak, I'm nervous. I want to do this to my babies, but keeps the numbers down, stops overcrowding. And it can't be helped when I've overrun with hens and no enough cokes.